In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 10K fast online. And if you're new here, my name is Troy Vanos. I help people like you make money online. Make sure you like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any of the latest videos coming right at ya. Now, before I jump in, let me clarify a few things that you do not need to do. You do not need to be an expert or have social proof. You do not need to do paid ads. You don't need to build a Facebook group. You don't need to be on every social media platform. You don't need to jump on Zoom or phone calls. You don't need to have your own offer or product. You don't need to have multiple streams of income. What you do need to do is to be following these three things, and that's all that matters. Number one, you need to build an audience. If you want to go from $0 to $10,000 a month, the number one thing that matters is building an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. Selling comes second. You don't need results, income screenshots, or to have helped a single person to get a sale. Don't try to position yourself as an expert. Position yourself as a relatable beginner who is just a few steps ahead of the person you're teaching. Pick one platform to create consistently every day, sharing the things that you're learning. Create content that answers questions people are searching for and desire to learn. From day one, I took the stance that I would outvalue everyone by learning everything I can and sharing it freely. Doing this made me likable, relatable, and gave people a reason to listen to me. People like people who help them. Wake up every day with the mindset, how can I help one person today? And you will start making sales. If you do this over a long period of time, $10,000 per month will be just getting started. Number two, have a high ticket offer that solves a really big problem. Most people make the mistake of promoting low ticket products as an affiliate. Even if they do make sales, they can never figure out why they can't grow past $3,000 to $5,000 a month. It's because low ticket products are meant to be used when you're trying to run paid ads. With organic traffic, which is free traffic, you have a smaller audience and you can't scale a low ticket product past $10,000 a month with a small audience. You need volume. And even if the product you're promoting has a high ticket offer on the back end, you need a minimum of 5 to 20 front end sales to get one high ticket sale, because you're making people jump through hoops just to get the actual product that they need to help them. With a small audience, if you're promoting a product, you can make at least $1,000. You only need 10 customers per month. You don't need low ticket products at all. Just sell people exactly what they need. This is something anyone can do if they're consistent with building their audience and building a strong relationship with their audience so they trust their recommendations. If you want to make $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 plus per month with free traffic, the easiest way to do this is by having a high ticket product. Number three, relentless follow-up. Now, this is the most important part of the equation. Most people are always focusing on getting new people, building a new audience. When I started, when I didn't have a big audience, I focused on going deep with the people that were already paying attention to me. I focused on following up with consistent emails once they subscribe to my email list. Most people think the answer is to crank out more content, add more traffic sources, add more things to their plate so they're busy and it feels like they're achieving something. The simple equation to have more conversations daily and consistently connect with the people you already talked to in the past. It may not be the right time for them to do business with you today, but things can change in 2 months from now. 70% of my business comes from consistently following up with people who showed interest in doing business with me. Do I always focus on building a new audience? Absolutely, but I focus 80% of my energy on going deep with the people who showed interest already. I don't care about likes, engagement, and vanity numbers, because that isn't what makes me money. Conversations are where the money is made. I care about how many people are paying attention, because those are the people who will be your buyers. You don't need a big audience to make a 6-figure a year income. You just need to focus on helping those people as much as you can daily as you learn and grow yourself. If you want to know how I made over $2,600 in just 4 days online, make sure you look in the description there and click on that link there to get access to a free training to get you started. Now, make sure you check out this next video up top here, because it's going to show you some more great ways to make money online with affiliate marketing.